went first, so I'm going to present you my progress on the game I'm working on, Paradigm Shift. But yeah, I've been working on the progress between levels. So my game is an interactive history of humankind, and you can progress from era to era. And yeah, I kind of wanted to have that, to do that in a artistic way. And yeah, I'm just going to show you what it looks like right now. What is on the brink of the paradigm shift? Do you want to progress to the next era? This is going to be the end screen. And yeah, so this is the technical implementation right now for the paradigm shift. I want to make it with more particle effects, and so that it looks a bit more nicer even. But yeah, I kind of really like it already. It was not easy to implement from the technical standpoint. So it has to do with how do I load the levels, and I kind of ended up loading the levels additively into the scenes. So I basically already load the classical antiquity planet into the Bronze Age level and deactivate the planet instantly. Then the animation starts with the planet. I switched the Bronze Age planet off and the classical antiquity planet on. I changed the skybox encode, and then I unload the Bronze Age level so that it can all smoothly translate or go from one level to another. While I was doing that, I also took the UI and made that into a separate level. So I'm always loading the whole UI at the start of the first level now, which makes it easier in the long run, but it was a bit complicated now to pick it apart and pull it back together. And I also, before I kind of planned to have 12 levels, but now I decided to cut it down to 9 levels because it still has the same message. It will still contain the same content, basically, but it's less work for me. And yeah, this is the color schemes for the levels that I will have. Yeah, from the Stone Age to a future level. Yeah, that's what I want to show you today. And are there any questions?
We have a question from the chat here. Will people fight each other in the game?
Oh, interesting. Okay. There will be fighting, but not the way that you expected, probably. So it's not that you can click on the person and then fight other people. It's more that you are an observer of what happened. So I will kind of abstract it probably in a cuter way, how people fight, or like how big wars were fought out. But yeah, I still want to make it as accessible for kids, so it's not going to be very bloody.
Oh, I guess the latest comment was, I bet it will be a slaughter fest.
Yes. Thank you very much.